In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Clearpay card online. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up your Clearpay card to be used on any online purchases that you make is super simple. All that you have to do is open the latest version of the Clearpay mobile app on your phone, and in there, switch over to the In-Store tab. Even though we are going to the In-Store tab, you will be able to use this card for online purchases. In there, you will find the option to pay in store at the top of the screen right next to your balance. So all that you have to do is tap to pay in store. What this will do is bring up the usual options to set up the card, change the payment dates, and when you tap the option at the bottom, you will be redirected to your Apple Wallet or any other digital wallet that you have on your device. So for example, if you are on an Android device, you will be redirected to Google Wallet instead. But all that you have to do, like I said, is to proceed to the specified wallet on your device. This will give you the option to register the card to that digital wallet. And in order to use your Clearpay card online, you need to pay using your digital wallet. As long as you choose the equivalent digital wallet when you pay online, you will be able to use this card. So for example, if you have an Android device and you registered the Clearpay card to a Google Wallet, the next time you choose to make a payment, select Google Pay, and you will be able to use this card as the source of the payment. The process is exactly the same if you have an Apple device, but instead you will be choosing to pay with Apple Pay, and under your Apple Wallet, the Clearpay card is going to be registered as the source of this payment. Like I said previously, this is the only way to use your Clearpay card. It needs to be attached to a digital wallet, and then you can use it to make payments online or in-store alternatively. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Clearpay card online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.